welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today I have my Boxycharm Premium for the month of July to go over with you. Now, this is a beauty subscription. It costs $39.99 a month, and you get 6 full-size items inside, 2 of which you can choose and customize these boxes. If you like makeup beauty subscriptions, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel for easier access to more videos like this. And let's go ahead and dive on into the box and see what I got. This is my box this month, and honestly, it's pretty heavy. Which I like. A good weight in there. It means we got some decent stuff. Pulling out the card, this is the theme of the month. It's Boxycharm Status 000. And on the back, we have a list of products and descriptions with prices as well. So opening up my box, the first thing I see on top here is these Luxie sponge set. Now, this is valued at $40, which I think is really high, but Luxie is a more expensive brand, so I would definitely like to try these sponges out. They seem like a really good consistency, so I'm definitely will try this out and let everyone know. I do reviews on this channel Mondays or Tuesdays, sometimes Wednesdays, depending on life, and it is only a couple weeks a month, but I do reviews. Next up is my choice item. This is Iconic London. This is a sculpting palette. And I was honestly kind of excited to get this because I think it's cream, but let's open it and see. I do like cream bronzers. I typically don't lean towards like a lot of cream products, but I feel like bronzers and contours, it works really good. Okay, love the packaging. Looks like a giant mirror. Inside, yes, they are cream. So I like that we have different shades in here. So depending on how deep you want to go or how chiseled you want to look, you can use different shades in here. And also we have like the highlighting shades as well. So really cool. This is actually valued at $49 for this palette. Next up is a shampoo and conditioner from, I'm not really sure how you say this, but Outre, I'm guessing. But it's kind of cool to get different stuff in here besides just makeup or just skincare. So I'm happy to get this, and it's something that I will definitely use. But this is $66 for these two, so quite expensive. So I'm not sure if I'll be going out and repurchasing this, but I'm definitely happy to try it. It's a CBD shampoo and conditioner. So there's that. Next up I have, this is my other choice item. This is the Stone Street Soap House Wholesome Body Cream. And it is a really generous size portion. Let's just open it up and see. Okay, it just smells like lotion. It doesn't have like any like extra scents to it that I can pick up anyways. But let's see how this goes on the skin. Okay, I actually really like that. It absorbs really quickly in the skin. It doesn't feel really greasy or anything. So I do like that body cream. And let's see, this is $32 for that body cream. And then everybody got this in their premium box, at least that's what I've heard. And this is a Nude Prism Lunar Beauty Palette. And I was really happy it came to me all in one piece. Every once in a while I get broken stuff, but Boxycharm is usually really good about replacing it or giving you a refund. So here is the palette, and it has almost like a risen graphics on it, which I really like. It's really pretty. It reminds me of like a Japan or something with the Japanese cherry blossoms on there. But we have a beautiful all natural everyday palette with some nice shimmers in there as well. And I've been dying to do this, but I haven't done it yet. It's just diving right on in there with the colors and seeing how they swatch. Especially these, because these almost look like creamy to me. Like in real life, in person, they just look super creamy. But let's see what they look like. Really pretty. And let's get a couple mattes in there just to see what those look like. Okay, that's like a really yellowy brown. Okay, not too bad. Definitely be trying this out this week. And this palette is valued at $48. And honestly, I'm really excited to try something from Lunar Beauty because I haven't been able to try any other products yet. So I think it's kind of cool that we get to try it out in Boxycharm. And lastly, this is honestly something I was hoping I'd get. I do like skincare, so to me, I was excited to get this. This is from Avant, which is a really expensive skincare brand. I wouldn't be surprised this is like 100 and something for this really tiny cleanser here, but this is a facial cleanser. And it says it's an age radiance cleanser, and it's valued, yep, at $110. So it's pretty significant amount for this, but I definitely would love the opportunity to try it. I'm going to go ahead and put my total box value up in the corner here. That's everything I have for this video today. I'm Erin. Thank you so much for watching.